Right. We discuss about the traditional file system, traditional flat file system, and usage of the database, why we need databases, relational databases. And also we learn about the key features of a database, such as what is database, what is record, what is field, what is DBMS, what are DDL, DML. Did we discuss this part also or not? Hello? Did you discuss this part?
Yes, sir.
Right. And I think we have even created tables, right? The create table part, did we discuss? No. Okay, so then let's do this practically. So actually, so if we have discussed about this all type of SQL, that is the theory part, then today we are going to start with data definition language, DDL. DDL related DDL related MySQL, and also discuss about DML related MySQL. So both DDL and DML related MySQL. Actually, what I want to do, I'll write it in the relational schema. I want you to create a database. So please write as a question. Please write as a question. Question. Log into MySQL DBMS. Create a database. DB school and create 4 tables inside the database. Create 4 tables inside the database. Table number 1 is TBL student. And TBL student has student ID, first name, middle name, last name, and city, TP number, grade and medium. Grade and medium, actually class and medium. And class teacher. Then TBL teacher. Teacher has teacher ID, teacher first name, teacher last name, teacher telephone number, and teacher class. Then class table, TBL class. It has class ID, class grade, class type, and class teacher. Then create another table, TBL marks. In the marks table, you have student ID, the maths, English, science marks. Maths, English, and science marks. And how linking happen in between the tables? The student ID is the primary key. Here, teacher ID is the primary key. CID, and this is the primary key for table marks. And student ID, so here actually exam. student ID and exam together is the primary key. And so these are the assumptions. So you have to actually each students has a class. Each student has a student class that is actually coming from the class ID, right? So let's say S class is the foreign key of S class is the foreign key of TBL student, and it is CID from TBL class. So CID from TBL class should go as the foreign key. Foreign key එකක් කියන්නේ ඇයි කියන එක අපි කතා කරා. Here foreign key is basically linking the tables. Primary keys are to recognize the records. Foreign keys are used to link the tables. And also STID in TBL marks is the foreign key from STID in TBL is the foreign key from TBL student. TBL student ගේ student ID එක තමයි foreign key එකක් විදිහට මෙතන තියෙන්නේ. එතන teacher ගේ ID එක යන්න ඕන මෙතනට. ඒක අපි කරමු මෙහෙම. C teacher is in TBL student is a foreign key came from TBL teacher. Actually, it is TBL teacher TID that goes as the foreign key to this table. Is there any other foreign keys? මේකේ එක්කෙනා යනවා මෙතනට. ඒකෙන් ඒ tables දෙක link වෙනවා. C teacher. C teacher means again TID, right? Okay. Another one. C teacher in TBL class is a foreign key from TBL teacher. The TBL teacher के foreign key එකක් තමයි C teacher කියලා. TID goes as a foreign key. The TID foreign key විදියට මෙයාටත් link වෙනවා. පල්ලා ඇතිර මෙයාටත් link වෙනවා. Student ID එක මෙයාට link වෙනවා. ඊට අමතරව S class එක link වෙන්නේ මෙතනින්. S class එක link වෙන්නේ මෙතන. class එකේ CID එක තමයි S class එක විදියට මෙතනින් link වෙන්නේ. Here S class. Okay, so these are the relationships. Now we can start creating the tables. I'll give you help. So please create all 4 tables. I'll give you help, right? Please see how I'm doing and repeat the steps in your computer. See how I'm going to do this. First of all, I'm going to start the MySQL service. That I can do by running MySQL server start, and my service started. Okay, then I want to log into the database management system, MySQL, -u root -p, the password. I'm keeping the password blank and should be root. Password blank, and here I am. So I have logged into the database. Now I want to show the databases. Show databases. And you can see DB school is there. Actually, I have to create a DB school database. To do that, I have to use create database DB school. But this won't create a database because this database is already there. Right here, can't create DB school because database exists. So I'm going inside to the DB school databases. Use DB school. I'm going inside the database. So now database changed. I'm inside the DB school table. Then I have to create 4 tables. Actually, I have created those tables already. So I'm showing the tables. And these are the 4 tables available. Since I have done this, I'm going to actually use another database. I'm going to create database to show these steps from the beginning. So see how I'm doing. Create database. So please do with me. Create database. I'm going to create DB. The DB school kila pavichi karana. Mama DB school tree kila pavichi karana. So for your one, use DB school. And please let me know if you have any problem, any questions. Karadhi prashna tiyanawa nan ahanna. Login with the prashna tiyanawa. Are you okay with the login? I will log into the database. Okay, if you have questions, I'll let you know. So can you share the screen? So those who are having questions tiyana kawura hari innona nan podak screen එක share කරන්න, then I can help you. I'll give you only 5 minutes for screen sharing sessions. Collectively, you can use that time. විනාඩි 5ක් දෙන්න. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මාරුවට හරි time එක පාවිච්චි කරලා ප්‍රශ්න තියෙන කට්ටිය අහගන්න login වෙන ටිකේදී. If anyone have any question, please direct it to me, then I can solve. After creating the database, you have to use the database. So my database name is DB School Tree. So I'm going to use DB School Tree. Oh, what is that? Come last one. Okay, I'm not giving. Yeah, change. DB use DB School Tree. ඔයාලගේ DB School. It was a table like හදන්න ඕන. You have to create a table. That is the difficult one for some of you, but some of you are okay with that. කොහොමද table එක හදන්නේ? Create table TBL student හරි. ඊටසේ වරහණක් ඇරලා විස්තරය ලියන්න ඕන. STID INT මම 4ක් දානවා. INT4 not null. It's a primary key. And FN vacha 30 දාමුකෝ. Not null. F කියලා විතරයි අදින්නේ කමන්නේ. Later we can change it, right? LN middle name MN vacha 30 last name vacha 40 not null. Not null කියලා දෙන්නේ, it cannot be empty, right? First name should be there, last name should be there, cannot be empty. But middle name, some of the students are not having middle name. That is okay. City vacha, let's say vacha 40 not null. TP INT, or you can say character cha character 9 character 10 not null. Then S class, that is the foreign key, INT4 medium vacha English for Sinhala. උපරිම character 8ක් තියෙන. English ENGLISH 7. Sinhala SINHALA 7 characters maximum. C teacher. There is also foreign key INT. මම හැම එකටම INT 4ක් use කරනවා foreign key වලට. Primary key එකටත් මම 4ක් use කරන හින්දා because I'm going to use the same kind of primary key in the other tables. And then after doing that, I can press the semicolon and finish this. You can say the query okay. Okay, you can try this. If you have any question, please let me know. If you don't have questions, also let me know, then we can proceed. Questions නැත්නම් ඒත් කියන්න, then we can proceed. Questions තියෙනවා නම් ඒත් කියන්න, නැත්නම් ඒත් කියන්න. හරි. මොකද questions නැහැ කියලා දැනගත්තම තමයි ඊළඟ එකට යන්න පුළුවන්. Please take a screenshot or copy of this. I'll add this to the note, but take a copy of this or screenshot of this. So this is the first table, table number 1. Table number 2. This is the table number 1, and so මේ ඉරිකැලි ඕනේ අඳින්න. ඒ ඉරිකැලි ටික එන්නේ අර automatically එනේවනේ. So other than these lines, the other things are needed basically. So how to create the table. So then let's create the second table and third table and fourth table, all 4 tables. I need you to create these 4 tables. And if you have difficulty, please ask, right? So if you have any issue, මොකද දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ පොඩි ළමයි නෙවෙයි, ඔයගොල්ලෝ A level ළමයි. So you are doing A levels means you have to be more responsible. If you have any issues, please let me know, then I can help you correct that. Right? That's why I'm asking, not to see that ඔයාලා මේ ගෙදර වැඩ කරාද කියලා පොත බලන්නවත් එහෙම එකකට නෙවෙයි. So truly to help you, right? If you cannot do that, if you are having issues, if you're having difficulties, if you're getting errors, then I have to help you correcting that. Then only you will learn. That's why. Okay, the second table. Second table, how to do that? So second table is also having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. Fields පහක් තියෙනවා. Second table, you have 5 fields. Let's create that table. Create table, TBL, teacher. And in the teacher table, I'm going to insert TID. And actually, so cannot do like that. So just go to the next line. You have to say TID, integer 4, not null, and primary key. So then, so please do this with me. Teacher first name, Vacha 30, say not null. Otnal කියලා වැදුනේ. එහෙම වැදුන හැටි වැරදි. හරි. And how to terminate this and start from the beginning. මොකක් හරි වැරදුනොත් ඒක නවත්තලා semicolon එකක් ගහලා you have to stop that by putting a semicolon because you can't go to the previous one and start creating from the beginning. Teacher first name, Vacha, variable characters 30, not null. Teacher last name, variable characters 40, and not null. Then telephone number, teacher telephone number, character 10, not null. Teacher ඊට පස්සේ teacher class, class, that is the foreign key, no? So int4, the teacher class is int4, that is the class belongs to the class which is assigned to the teacher. Okay, the teacher table is also created. Then the TBL class. Okay, TBL class. In the TBL class table, I have to again do the same thing. Create table TBL class. Similar way, you have the field CID int4, not null, primary key. Then class grade, C grade, int2, grade 13, එහෙමනේ ඉලක්කම් දෙකයි එන්න පුළුවන්, grade 13, 12, 10, 9, and 2. C, then C type. So let's say char1, but type එකේ දෙන්න ඕනේ A, the B, the C, the කියලා. 11A, 11B, 11C, likewise.